All right guys, this neighborhood just seemed to slide right under the radar when doing my neighborhood videos. So here I am driving to Palm Bay, Melbourne, Grant Valcaria, when I realized that one of my favorite builders, GHO, still has inventory in one of their most centrally located neighborhoods in Vero Beach. So if you need a quality build in a convenient location all under 500K, then listen up because I might have found the right neighborhood for you. Alrighty guys, so I'm sure that you've seen these neighborhood videos before, but if you haven't, here is how I do things. First, I don't want to waste any more of your time, so we're going to go ahead and dive straight into the model homes like I want to dive into this pool. That way you can at least see if this floor plan works for you at all. And once we're wrapped up with that, I'll briefly cover the other model homes that they have to offer in this neighborhood. And here in Bella Rosa, there's not a lot, so it'll be very quick and easy to run through those. Next up, we have the location and what is nearby. This is my favorite part about this neighborhood, so you're going to want to stay tuned for this one. And most new construction neighborhoods, by the way, are not being placed in the most convenient locations, but this one stands out from the rest of that one in that regard. And last but certainly not least, we have the HOA and what the fees cover, what you get for those fees. So let's go ahead and dive straight into it and start the tour off with the Durham Rose right now. And sorry about the beeping, we've got some construction going on over there. I can't win today. All right, so let's start with the basics. The Durham Rose offers 2 bedrooms, a den, and 2 bathrooms, giving you just the right amount of space to live comfortably. The living area spans 1,573 square feet, but with the 2-car garage and other spaces included, you're looking at a total of 2,180 square feet. Second bedroom is perfect for those guests or even family members, while the den provides a versatile space that can be used as a home office, study, or even a hobby room. Walking into the home, you're immediately greeted by a welcoming foyer that leads you into the heart of the house. The open floor plan seamlessly connects the living room, dining area, and the kitchen, making it a perfect place for entertaining or just enjoying a quiet night in. The kitchen is a chef's dream with modern appliances, ample counter space, and a large island that doubles as a breakfast bar. And whether you're preparing a meal for family or hosting friends, this kitchen has everything that you're gonna need to make that happen. It says call for pricing, but I was able to find one inventory home for sale for $430,000. And remember, that's the out the door cost for these inventory homes. No lot fees or upgrades will be needed to be added to that price. The master bedroom is a true retreat. It's spacious and it's bright with plenty of natural light streaming in through the windows. And the attached master bathroom features double sinks, a large shower, and a walk-in closet, offering plenty of storage and space to get ready in the morning. One of the standout features of the Durham Rose is its outdoor living space. The covered patio is ideal for enjoying Florida's beautiful weather year-round, and whether you're sipping your morning coffee or winding down in the evening, this space is perfect for some relaxation. And finally, the 2-car garage provides ample room for the vehicles and extra storage, keeping your home uncluttered and organized. Alrighty guys, so I'm sure that if you're still around, that floor plan and build quality might be right up your alley. So let's go ahead and keep cranking away and move on to the other floor plans that GHO does build in this community. First up, we've got the Brooke. This is a villa option that's a little bit more spacious than the Durham Rose that we just saw. And it has the same 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a den that we saw over there. But this one, it has it slightly beat with 1,600 square feet of living space and starts off at a great price price of only $391,990. Next up, we have the single family option called the Rosa. This home is great and the only single family option that we have here. However, I don't see any inventory homes available for this floor plan, so a phone call may be needed to see if there's any inventory left. The Rosa is a 2-bedroom plus a den, 2-bathroom, 2+ car garage with 1,833 square feet of living space and has a starting price of only $441,990. Alrighty guys, so just a quick break here. I wanted to let you know that while I do love making these videos, I'm also here to help you if you're interested in any of these homes or any property along the Florida East Coast. My team and I run the best location service in the area, so please do not hesitate to reach out by using the contact information here on the screen and also in the description below. I've also launched a website, which is fleastcoast.com, where you can explore every home in the market. It's connected directly to 3 different MLSs that we update daily. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach us through the site there too. And before we continue, please do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you find this content helpful. It really means a lot to me and it helps keep me going with this channel. All right guys, so let's talk about Bella Rosa's prime location in the Vero West corridor. This community is strategically placed near everything you need on the west side of Vero Beach. So just a short drive away, you'll find popular spots like Chipotle, Chick-fil-A, Publix, Target, Walmart, both Lowe's and Home Depot. Plus you've got the entire mall, which was just purchased, by the way, by a new buyer. So they're gonna be completely revamping this whole neighborhood and this whole area, which you can hear the construction trucks behind me doing that right now as we speak. Lots of things to come here too, because you can hear this guy. All right, and if you head east a little bit, it's only a 13-minute drive to the Miracle Mile Plaza. There, you're gonna find Fresh Market, boutiques, TJ Maxx, Deep Six Dive Shop, and another Publix, along with a variety of other great restaurants to choose from there. For you beach lovers out there, Bella Rosa is less than 20 minutes from these stunning beaches. Ocean Drive is packed with restaurants, boutiques, and bars offering a vibrant coastal experience. Central Beach is the place to go. And recently the water has been a crystal clear Bahama blue, making it even more appealing to go there. So I'm probably gonna head there later today, jump in, get this sweat off of me that I'm dealing with this beating down sun in this summer Florida heat. Alrighty guys, now it's time to talk the HOA fees and what they cover in Bella Rosa. So for townhomes, the HOA fee is $655 per quarter, which breaks down to about $218 per month. And for single family homes, it's $693 per quarter or $231 a month. These fees cover a range of services and amenities. So first of all, it's gonna be the lawn care is included, so you won't have to worry about that, especially for you seasonal residents out there. The community also is going to be gated, providing an extra layer of security, and also residents have access to a community pool, perfect for relaxing, having friends over, and that sort of thing. The fees also cover the maintenance of the entry fountain, which is a nice little touch when pulling into the entrance there. And that pretty much wraps it up for looking at Bella Rosa in Vero Beach. If you found this information helpful, then make sure to go ahead and like and subscribe for more updates on anything Florida East Coast related real estate. And if you have any questions as far as moving here or relocating to the Florida East Coast, make sure to go ahead and reach out. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Let's move it. Don't drop the iPad. Get the lighting on your face. You big disgrace. Looking your can all over the place. And we will rock you. All right.